Astrological fact. Conjunction of natural malefic planets produce Raj Yoga for some Lagna, although obviously many conditions apply. Many astrologers, when they see a conjunction between natural malefics in a chart, they immediately label it as negative result-giving. Some of the conjunctions between Mars and Saturn, Mars and Rahu, Mars and Ketu, Sun and Mars, Jupiter and Rahu, Sun and Saturn, Saturn and Venus, Saturn and Moon are outright labelled as negative results giving yoga. These conjunctions are even feared by the general public. But in fact there are some Lagna where conjunctions between natural malefics produce Raj Yogas. For example, for Aries Lagna, the conjunction between Sun and Saturn is Raj Yoga, because we know Raj Yoga is formed when there is a conjunction between the Lord of Kendra and Trikona house. Sun is Trikona Lord and Saturn is Kendra Lord for Aries Lagna. Although they have to be placed well, it cannot be completely labelled as negative yogas because they are forming a Raj Yoga. For instance, for Taurus Lagna, a conjunction between Venus and Saturn is quite interesting. It's a conjunction between the Kendra and Trikona lords. Although Venus being the sixth lord will weaken this yoga, it still technically qualifies as a Raj Yoga. For Cancer Lagna, a conjunction between Mars and Saturn can be quite alarming. Just a look, and astrologers often label it bad for marriage, with Saturn being the seventh lord paired with aggressive Mars. This conjunction will give an aggressive and dominating spouse, yet it is still a Raj Yoga. This Raj Yoga will have its own results, again depending on many factors. If well placed without any influence of another malefic, it will give a wonderful marriage with lots of passion and support from the spouse. Similarly, Saturn and Venus conjunction for Capricorn Lagna is Raj Yoga. Mercury and Mars for Aquarius Lagna is Raj Yoga. Moon and Saturn conjunction for Gemini Lagna is Dhan Yoga. Sun and Venus conjunction for Cancer Lagna is Dhan Yoga. Mercury and Mars conjunction for Leo Lagna is Super Dhan Yoga. Mars and Saturn conjunction for Libra Lagna is Dhan Yoga. Saturn and Mars for Capricorn Lagna is Dhan Yoga. Sun and Venus for Aquarius Lagna is Raj Yoga. Rahu and Mars or Rahu and Ketu conjunction for Aries, Cancer and Leo Lagna produce Raj Yogas. Because Rahu and Ketu give results of the planets they are conjunct with, many conditions apply. Rahu and Saturn or Ketu or Saturn conjunction for Taurus, Capricorn and Libra Lagna produce Raj Yoga. Because Rahu and Ketu give results of the planets they are conjunct with, many conditions apply. A sensible astrologer will never label a conjunction between natural malefics as negative just on its face value. Astrology has many layers, and the signification of planets is just one of them. Next video, astrological fact. Conjunction between natural benefics produces negative results for some Lagna with examples. Share and follow.